Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Our platform is to create opportunities, but also provide value to the members and the viewers who are watching. Today, we're introducing a flat fee monthly prescription drug medication platform. Just give you some information. A flat monthly membership equals free prescriptions for everyone. Prescription drugs prices have skyrocketed over the last few years to pinpoint people can no longer afford them. You shouldn't have to choose between feeding your family or taking your medications. The DAC New Flat Fee Pharmacy Program, partnered with My Free Pharmacy, has created a new concept where you actually pay a monthly flat fee and then pay nothing for your prescriptions. Through strategic partnership and our buying power, we can get you access to the most used generic medications for free. So the members who are subscribing to the flat fee prescription monthly plan, there's two plans for individuals. It's $19.95 per month, and for families, it is $20.95 per month, and your prescriptions are for free. Get 800 plus of the most prescribed medications for free. So 128 members can get 90% of the most prescribed acute immediate need medications. Examples: uh, azithromycin, amoxicillin, Astovor, and more. And then members can get 90% of the most prescribed chronic maintenance medications. Examples of buspirone, warfarin, atravastatin, and more. So you have 688 of those prescribed medications. Get access to free medication at your local pharmacy or deliver it right to your door. So tired of overpaying for your prescriptions, so we are too. So we are creating a revolutionary way for you to get your medicines for free. No coupons, no gimmicks, and no fake prices. So subscribe today for as low as $19.95 for those that individual plan, and then for a family, it's going to be $29.95 per month, and you get your prescription for free. Flat Fee Pharmacy is a game changer. DAC Flat Fee Pharmacy program, powered by My Free Pharmacy, has been designed to make the most prescribed medications available for free to everyone. These drugs are typically used to treat conditions like diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, depression, and more. With the DAC Flat Fee Pharmacy, we carry the most used medications at no cost to the customer. Subscribe today and get sildenafil, dostraxin, simvastins, atorvastatin, and the other ones that you see on the board there. And then if you want to see the full drug list, you just go ahead and click there, see if your medication are on there, and you'll see the list of what is provided for free. E-prescriptions make it easier for providers to electronically send prescriptions to your local pharmacy or home delivery service, with orders going out as soon as the same day. Members can get a 90-day prescriptions for literally $0 shipped to your home for free, accepted at 64,000 pharmacies nationwide, including Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy, Walmart Pharmacy, Rite Aid, Albertsons. Another thing that is going to be provided for your free membership or your membership, let's go to about the program. We are committed to improving your life and saving you money. So let's go to the diabetes plan. diabetes supplies and medication. So this program includes get a free starter kit and diabetic prescriptions. The program includes a free premium bilingual voice response glucometer, 3 month supply of test strips, supply of Lancet lancing device and control solution, zero out of pocket on diabetes medications listed here, free shipping to your mailbox. The diabetic medications are listed up to the right. Lowest price insulin in the United States. If you are using insulin, we offer vials of Rely On trademark Novelin's 7030 and an R for 1988 per vial and pins per box for 37.88 through our excuse me exclusive partner Walmart, where your doctor can prescribe to and you can pick up over 52,000 or 5,200 locations. Subscribe today, and this is your order form. This is what it's going to look like when you go to subscribe. You have a choice to be subscribe as an individual or a family. So if you're an individual, let's go to individual first. So the individual plan is $19.95. Okay, and then you just put your information there. Okay, and this is all you pay, and your medications are for free. And then if you're getting it for your entire family, some families have certain medications that each of them take, whether that be for high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, things like that. You're gonna have a family plan, and your family plan is gonna be $29.95. You can make a um, annual fee, or you pay by month to month, depending on what you would like. I want to thank you for tuning into Billionaires Club 101. This is our presentation of the flat fee prescription medication membership. Thank you and have a good day. And please share this video with the people you know. Thank you very much.